how to download SoundCloud songs. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can quickly download SoundCloud songs. So I'm gonna open up SoundCloud over here, and as soon as I open up SoundCloud, of course I'm gonna see all of the songs over here. So now let's say I wanted to download this particular song, for example. Well, then the process is pretty simple. I simply click on this particular song, and now I'm gonna open up a new tab, and in this tab I want you guys to type in SoundCloud Music Downloader. So as soon as you guys type in SoundCloud Music Downloader, simply open up the first link, and then as soon as you guys open up the first link, now over here you guys can see that you have to copy and paste the URL of the song that you want to download. You guys can simply get the URL by simply clicking on the top and then copying that text and then pasting that in over here, and then clicking on delete and then clicking on download. As soon as you guys click on download, you guys are going to see this page. Click on download track, and now this particular song is going to be downloaded onto your computer, and as you guys can see that this particular song is now on my computer. So guys, that is how you can download songs from SoundCloud quickly in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care, till next time, goodbye.